Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you guys how I turned my fail into a success and achieved this bomb red hair color. Now, I was originally trying to dye my hair honey blonde, but as you can see, that was a fail. And it failed because I don't know what I was thinking at the moment, but I decided to bleach the hair. I didn't have enough bleach, so I thought, and I was like, hey, you know what, just do it in sections, you know, it'll all come out even. No, it did not. So I tried to salvage that by using some toner. That didn't help it out either. I didn't know what I was going to do. My mom suggested just get some hair color, put it on top of it, but I was not going to spend any more money to put onto this hair. I went in my stash, I found some red hair dye. I was like, cool, we're going to work with this and see what happens. And as you can see, it turned out bomb. Now, before I put the hair color on there, the hair was dry, it was brassy, it was just a hot mess. But after I put the hair color on there, the hair totally changed. I don't know if it was something in the hair dye that I used or what, but the hair became very soft and flowy. It had this luster to it that I really liked. So I was very pleased that I was able to save this hair because I just got it and I did not want to just throw my money down the drain like that. So make sure you stay to the end so you can see the different hairstyles that I've done already with this hair. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps get my video out there. I make bomb videos, so you guys should really check out my channel. I'm almost at 2,000 subscribers, and I know I can get there. I've been stuck where I'm at for a little while now. So help your girl out and subscribe, all right? Yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next video.